I'm so good with that. She taught me love. She taught me patience. How she handles pain. That shit's amazing. I've loved it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alyssa. If you are new here, today is this quick, easy. I have lipstick on my tooth. Well, welcome to my channel. This is the quick holiday easy glam tutorial. I don't know, it's very subtle, but yet, you know, holiday glam, duh. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys like it. Let's just hop right in. Alright guys, so for today's look, we're gonna take the, ignore it, it's dirty, but the Morphe 35O palette. Should I even show you guys? It's like, ignore this. My dog did that, because you know, he's amazing. And he did this. Yeah, that was a beauty blender. But whatever, you know, he's great. So for the first shade, we're gonna use, I don't know what one. Let's do this one. We're just gonna blend that. So for the second shade, we're gonna go a little bit darker, and let's do this reddish brown. It's a very warm tone. And we'll keep that further in the crease. Now I'm taking my brush and I'm blending that back out, so then they blend together. And the last shade we're going to use for the crease is going to be this red orange tone, and we're just going to warm it up. And then we're going to take the first brush we used again and blend that all together again. So now we're just gonna cut the crease, and this is my e.l.f. concealer. It broke. What else is new? It's Alyssa. But we're just gonna place that on the eye. Taking my EIGSHOW brush in E831. So now we're just gonna place down our base before we add our glitter, and I'm using the EIGSHOW E828, and I'm gonna take this golden shadow, and we're just gonna place that where we cut the crease, and this will be our base before the glitter. Then we're gonna take the red shade that we use in the transition, and we're gonna smoke out that harsh line. So I have like a loose pigment. This one's from Cosmetics. It's like super pigmented. It's literally blinding the camera. That's how pigmented it is. Then we'll go back in with those shadows and smoke that back out. This is Wet and Wild. Dry. I'm going to do the other eye, and then we'll do the rest of the face. Lashes. These are Amora lashes Attitude. I'll leave them in the description. I sound sick. But I just popped on lashes, mascara, and now we're just gonna hop into foundation. And I don't know if I want to prime my face because my friend told me stick foundation works better with a primer or with a face oil, and I need to grab one today. So let's look for a primer. So I'm using my Benefit Professional primer, which I literally forgot I had this thing, and it's literally like cut up because I couldn't get any out. So it works. Let's try this. I usually don't wear primer just because it doesn't like do anything for me, but I do want to see if it does make a difference with this foundation. I think I put too much, but oh, whatever. Okay, so now that we have the primer all blended out, which it like literally looks so weird because I never put primer, I'm gonna use my Anatasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Banana. We're just gonna smear her all over. This is really weird, I don't like this. It's kind of like not gliding on my face now. Can you guys see that? It's not going on my face. This is weird. Let me try and blend that out. I'm using the foundation brush from EIGSHOW. This is F624. See what I mean? It's like patchy. I don't think I'm gonna keep doing this. We're just gonna use the e.l.f. concealer, the glow side, because girl gotta go to Walmart in a little bit and get another one of these. So I can use the conceal side, but we're gonna put some extra, because you know, extra foundation, extra concealer. Yeah, why not? So now we're gonna use the Maybelline Loose Powder under eyes. We're gonna take this big brush. This is the EIGSHOW Large Powder F601. It's super big. And we're just gonna take our loose powder and pack that all over the face. Look how big this thing is. It's like heaven. Then Miss A pressed powder and my EIGSHOW blush F604 brush. Pack that. The HOOLA bronzer. Oh, I'm using the EIGSHOW Angled Contour F610. For blush, we're taking the Tarte blush, Paaarty. My headband's falling down. My life is falling apart. But you know what? It's okay. It's all okay. And now, wait, what's next? For highlight, we're taking the Profusion Mixed Metals palette. And we're gonna take a random fan brush and use this big highlight. It's called Visionary. We're just gonna, you know, ooh, she poppin'. So I have the NYX Slip Tease Lip Lacquer. This is in Spiced Spell. And let's just put this on and see how this looks. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this, and I like it. I think it looks cute. And if you guys like recreate this, send me pictures, because I want to interact with you guys, like I say in every video. I want you guys to talk to me about anything and leave me tips or whatever. And I love you guys with all my heart. Like, comment, subscribe. There's lipstick on my tooth. And I'll see you guys in the next video.